Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by AAFX Trading.
Good morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the Bitcoin USD recent developments and its potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The last session saw the Bitcoin rise 0.6% against the dollar. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. Apple shares saw a minor rise of 0.3% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The Aussie dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
Oil prices settled down about 1% to a one-week low as Hurricane Beryl shut U.S. refineries and ports along the Gulf of Mexico, and on hopes a possible ceasefire deal in Gaza could reduce worries about global crude supply disruptions. Boeing has agreed to plead guilty to a criminal fraud conspiracy charge and pay a fine of over $243 million to resolve an investigation into two 737 MAX fatal crashes. The plea deal would brand the planemaker a convicted felon in connection with crashes in Indonesia and Ethiopia that killed 346 people. A rally in chip stocks lifted the Nasdaq and S&P 500 to record highs as investors awaited fresh inflation data, commentary from Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, and the start of quarterly earnings season. Nvidia jumped 2.5%, while Intel was up 6%.
Thank you for this. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The US NFIB Business Optimism Index will be released at 10 GMT, the US Red Book Index at 12:55 GMT, the Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 7 GMT. The Dutch Consumer Price Index will be released at 4:30 GMT, Japan's machine tool orders at 6 GMT, Japan's Producer Price Index at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.